Hey, I'm Jason Hammond, and today I want to walk you through replacing a bathroom faucet. Not the whole job, but the teaser version. Enough that you can decide whether this is an afternoon for you or whether it's an evening of frustration waiting to happen. Here's the scene. The faucet is leaking from the handle, or it drips from the spout, or the aerator has clogged with mineral deposits for the third time, or the finish is corroded and flaking, and you want something that looks like this decade. Whatever brought you here, understand this. The faucet itself bolts on in 15 minutes. Everything else, the old drain, the pop-up linkage, the supply lines, the P-trap, is the actual job. Before you start, diagnose the one tool question that stops most first-timers. Get under the sink with a flashlight and look at the mounting nuts holding the old faucet up. If you don't own a basin wrench, buy one. $20 at any hardware store. A regular wrench will not reach those nuts, and trying will cost you 2 hours and a skin knuckle. Here's what the job actually looks like. You shut off both supply valves under the vanity. You disconnect the supply lines into a bucket. You pull the P-trap and dump it. You squeeze the plastic clip on the pop-up linkage and pull the horizontal rod out. You loosen the drain body nut from below and lift the old drain out from above. You use the basin wrench on the old mounting nuts. If they're seized, 10 minutes of penetrating oil, then steady pressure. You lift the old faucet out, you drop the new one in. You set the new drain with Plumber's putty on steel or ceramic, silicone on quartz or granite. You reconnect the supply lines. You reassemble the P-trap, hand tight plus an 1/8 turn, and you leak test, the mistakes that double this job. Plumber's putty on a quartz countertop that stains it permanently, over tightening the plastic drain nut until it cracks, forgetting the shutoffs and getting sprayed, buying a supply line that's too short so the faucet won't seat, and assembling the pop-up linkage backward so the stopper won't seal. And one more thing, if you pull the old faucet and the cabinet floor underneath is soft, black, or moldy, stop. That's a water leak that's been happening for a while, and your job now includes cabinet repair. The guide tells you exactly when to walk away and call a pro. For the full step-by-step, the basin wrench tricks, and the 24-hour paper towel leak test, grab the complete guide at hammondreengineered.com. That's hammondreengineered.com. I'll see you in the book.